Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to browse the internet on PS5. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Browsing the internet on the PS5 isn't as straightforward as using a dedicated web browser, since the PS5 doesn't have a built-in browser like previous PlayStation consoles. However, you can still access some web pages through a workaround using the system settings, and some built-in features. Here's how you can do it. First things first, navigate to the settings on your home screen. Go to the system, then choose web browser. Make sure to toggle on allow cookies, then enable JavaScript, and prevent cross-site tracking. Now, let's go to the accessibility. Choose display and sound, choose zoom, and make sure it is enabled. Then click on the PS5 button. Then go to the game base section. Then choose friends, and choose a friend. Now go to the send message section, and send the link www.google.ca. Click on the link to be redirected to Google search. Summary: while the PS5 doesn't have a dedicated web browser, you can still access the internet using these workarounds for the most seamless experience, using the user's guides or linking word services. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.